Welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on descriptive questions and answers on KMBN 105 Marketing Management, a paper in MBA first semester as per AKTU syllabus. इस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 कवर करेंगे। जैसा कि प्रीवियस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल हमने बताया, क्वेश्चंस जो पॉसिबल क्वेश्चंस हैं, मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप के जो कि एकेटी में पूछे जा सकते हैं, उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हमने यहाँ कंपाइल किए हैं और हम आपको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है सेगमेंटेशन पर। सेगमेंटेशन क्या है, सेगमेंटेशन से हम क्या समझते हैं और सेगमेंटेशन कितने टाइप का होता है। जैसे ही सेगमेंटेशन की बात आए, आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए 3-step procedure. In fact, first is identify and profile the different groups जिस टारगेट की हम मार्केट की बात कर रहे हैं। उन ग्रुप्स में आपके प्रोडक्ट को, आपका प्रोडक्ट किस ग्रुप के नीड को इनफैक्ट फुलफिल करेगा, दैट इज सेलेक्टिंग आउट ऑफ द ग्रुप्स वन और मोर एंड देन टारगेटिंग देम, दैट मीन्स कम्युनिकेटिंग विद देम। सो 3-step प्रोसीजर है: प्रोफाइलिंग, grouping and selecting to communicate. Target marketing requires marketers to take 3 major steps जैसा कि हमने बताया। First, identify and profile distinct groups of buyers who might require separate products or marketing mixes, that is marketing segmentation. जो डेटा हमारे पास हो उसको हम पहले आइडेंटिफाई कर लें, उसके प्रोफाइल्स तैयार कर लें। सेकेंड, सेलेक्ट वन और मोर मार्केट सेगमेंट्स टू एंटर, दैट इज मार्केट टारगेटिंग। क्वेश्चन आ सकता है शॉर्ट में, व्हाट इज मार्केट टारगेटिंग? सो selecting one or more market segments to enter. Third, establish and communicate the product's key distinctive benefits in the market, that is market positioning. Now come to types. Segment marketing. पहला टाइप है, a market segment consists of a large identifiable group within a market with similar wants, purchasing power, geographical location, buying attitudes and buying habits. इसको हम सेगमेंट मार्केटिंग बोलते हैं। फिर आता है हियर फॉर एग्जांपल, एन ऑटोमेकर में आइडेंटिफाई 4 ब्रॉड सेगमेंट्स इन द कार मार्केट, जैसे बायर्स हु आर प्राइमरली सीकिंग, से फर्स्ट बेसिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, सेकंड हाई परफॉर्मेंस, थर्ड लग्जरी और फोर्थ सेफ्टी। तो एक हो गया सेगमेंटेशन मार्केट। दूसरा आता है नीश मार्केट, दैट इज अ नीश इज अ मोर नैरोली डिफाइंड ग्रुप, typically a small market whose needs are not being well served. Marketers usually identify niches by dividing a segment into sub-segments. Using market segmentation refers to defining a group seeking a distinctive mix of benefits. Now, जैसे डोमिनोज है, अब डोमिनोज की होम डिलीवरी भी पिज़्ज़ा की होती है, तो डोमिनोज ने जितने दोज कस्टमर्स हु आर रिक्वायरिंग होम डिलीवरी, अब उनकी एक अलग मार्केट हो, इसको हम एक मार्केट नीश बोल सकते हैं। देन लोकल मार्केटिंग. टारगेट मार्केटिंग इज लीडिंग टू सम मार्केटिंग प्रोग्राम्स that are tailored to the needs and wants of local customer groups, that's trading areas, neighborhoods and even individual stores. Like Citibank for instance adjusts its banking services in each branch depending on neighborhood demographics. Kraft helps supermarket chains identify the cheese assortment and the self-positioning that will optimize cheese sales in low, middle, and high income stores and in different ethnic neighborhoods. Fourth segment type आता है individual market. The ultimate level of segmentation leads to segments of one और customized marketing भी इनको हम बोलते हैं, और one-to-one marketing. For centuries, consumers were served as individuals. The tailor made the suit and the cobbler designed shoes for the individual. Much businesses to business marketing today is customized. In that, a manufacturer will customize the offer, logistics, communications, and financial terms for each major account. Now, question number 7. What is customer value hierarchy? Describe product hierarchy in detail. सो हायरार्की अगर आप नीचे से देखेंगे, पहले सबसे पहले आएगा कोर प्रोडक्ट और बेसिक कोर प्रोडक्ट, देन बेसिक प्रोडक्ट, फिर ऑगमेंटेड प्रोडक्ट, एक्सटेंडेड प्रोडक्ट एंड इनफैक्ट एक्सपेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट। इस तरीके से हायरार्की बनेगी। अब जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं, द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल level is the core benefit, the fundamental service or benefit that customer is really buying. A hotel guest is buying rest and sleep. So in case of hotel, rest and sleep is core product. The purchaser of a drill is buying holes. Effective marketers therefore see themselves as providers of product benefits, not merely product features. At the second level, the marketer has to turn the core benefit into a basic product. Thus, a hotel room includes bed, bathroom, towels and closet. So, core product हुआ, फिर आएगा basic product hierarchy. Then, third level पर expected product, a set of attributes and conditions that buyers normally expect when they buy the product. Hotel guests expect a clean bed, fresh towels and so on. So, because most hotels can meet this minimum expectation, the traveler normally will settle for whichever hotel is most convenient or least expensive. Fourth level आता है augmented product that exceeds customer expectations. So, first one is core, second basic, third expected, fourth augmented. A hotel might include a remote control television set, fresh flowers, and express check-in, check-out. Today's competition especially takes place at the product augmentation level. In less developed countries, competition takes place mostly at the expected product level. Product augmentation leads the market. At the fifth level stands potential product. So याद करने के लिए आप याद कर सकते हैं, first is core product, then basic product, expected product, augmented product and potential product. अगर ये आप याद कर सकते हो, अपने आप भी लिख सकते हैं. Potential product, which encompasses all of the possible augmentations and transformations the product might undergo in the future. Here a company searches for entirely new ways to satisfy its customers and distinguish its offer. As one example, Marriott's Town Place Suites, all suite hotels represent an innovative transformation of the traditional hotel product. Let us have another question, question number 8. Illustrate the concept of product differentiation in detail. अब प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो, कैसे हम प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन का मतलब कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट, जो हमारा ब्रांड है, प्रोडक्ट है, वो अदर प्रोडक्ट्स इन द सेम कैटेगरी कैसे अलग पहचाना जाए, कस्टमर्स कैसे उसको पहचान पाए कि ये क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है. फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स वेरी इन देयर पोटेंशियल फॉर डिफरेंशिएशन. एट वन एक्सट्रीम we find products that allow little variation like chicken, steel, aspirin. At the other extreme are products that are capable of high differentiation such as automobiles and furniture. So differentiation एक form में हो सकता है. Like many products can be differentiated in form, size, shape, physical structure of a product. Then features को देख करके भी हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. सो सेकंड पॉइंट बनेगा फीचर्स. फीचर्स आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट सप्लीमेंट द प्रोडक्ट्स बेसिक फंक्शन. Marketers start by asking recent buyers about additional features that would improve satisfaction, then determining which would be profitable to add given the potential market, cost and price. Then performance quality पर हम जा सकते हैं. Second differentiation हम देख सकते हैं. Performance quality is the level at which the product's primary characteristics operate. The Strategic Planning Institute found a significantly positive correlation between relative product quality and return on investment. Then conformance quality. Buyers expect products to have a high conformance quality, which is the degree to which all of the produced units are identical and meet the promised specifications. So ये points आप याद कर सकते हैं. Durability. Durability, a measure of products' expected operating life under natural or stressful conditions, is important for products such as vehicles and kitchen appliances. However, The extra price must not be excessive and the product must not be subject to rapid technological obsolescence. Reliability. Buyers normally will pay premium for high reliability, a measure of the probability that a product will not malfunction or fail within a specified time period. Repairability. Buyers prefer products that are easy to repair. Repairability is a measure of the ease of fixing a product when it malfunctions or fails. Then style. ये भी एक अच्छा differentiation है. Style describes the product's look and feel to the buyer. Buyers are normally willing to pay a premium for products that are attractively styled, designed. As competition intensities, design offers a potent way to differentiate and position a company's products and services. Now, question number 9. What do you understand by product? Actual factors to product mix. तो जैसे ही प्रोडक्ट मिक्स की बात आए, हमें चार बातें जरूर दिमाग में आ जाना चाहिए. जैसे कोई कहे प्रोडक्ट मिक्स, सो दिमाग में आना चाहिए लेंथ, डेप्थ, width and consistency. Now, what is a product? So, product is anything that can be offered for sale. A product is anything that can be offered to market to satisfy a want or need. Products include physical goods, services, experiences, events, persons, places, properties, organizations, information and ideas. The customer will judge the offering by three basic elements: product features, quality, services mix quality and price appropriateness. As a result, marketers must carefully think through the level at which they set each product's features, benefits and quality. So याद रखने की जरूरत है features, benefits and quality. Now product mix, जैसा कि हमने कहा, product mix also called product assortment is the set of all products and items that a particular marketer offers for sale. Say for example at Kodak, the product mix consists of two strong product lines, information products and image products. At NEC Japan, the product mix consists of communication products and computer products. The product mix of an individual company can be described in terms of width, length, depth and consistency. ये चार बातें जरूर ध्यान में रखने की जरूरत है. The width refers to how many different product lines the company carries. The length refers to the total number of items in the mix. The depth of a product mix refers to how many variants of each product are offered. The consistency of the product mix refers to how closely related the various product lines are in end use, production requirements, distribution channels, or some other way. Like for example, ITC's products, they are highly inconsistent because they offer eatables and also tobacco based products. They are, so this is why they are, and they are into many segments and many sectors. These four product mix dimensions permit the company to expand its business. First, by adding new product lines, thus widening its product mix. Two, lengthening each product line. Third, deepening the product mix by adding more variants. And four, pursuing more product line consistency. Question number 10. This is the last question of this video tutorial. Describe the different strategies in the maturity and declining stage of PLC for a product. इस पर क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट चारों स्टेजेस के लिए आ सकते हैं. यहाँ पे मेच्योरिटी स्टेज की बात की गई है. मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी एंड मेच्योरिटी स्टेज हम क्या करेंगे? At some point, the rate of sales growth will slow and the product will enter a stage of relative maturity. This stage normally lasts longer than the previous stages and poses formidable challenges to marketing management. Most products are in the maturity stage of the life cycle, and most marketing managers cope with the problem of marketing the mature product. Three strategies for the maturity stage are market modification, प्रोडक्ट मॉडिफिकेशन, मार्केट मिक्स मॉडिफिकेशन. ये ध्यान देने की जरूरत है मेच्योरिटी स्टेज के लिए. मार्केट मॉडिफिकेशन, प्रोडक्ट मॉडिफिकेशन एंड मार्केटिंग मिक्स मॉडिफिकेशन. मार्केट मॉडिफिकेशन, that is the company might try to expand the market for its mature brand by working to expand the number of brand users. This is accomplished by 1. Converting non-users, 2. Entering new market segments, as Johnson & Johnson did when promoting baby shampoo for adult use. 3. Winning competitors' customers' product modification. Next is product modification. Here in this, managers try to stimulate sales by modifying the product's characteristics through quality improvement, feature improvement, or style improvement. Quality improvement aims at increasing the product's functional performance like durability, reliability, speed, taste. Marketing mix modification. Product managers can try to stimulate sales by modifying other marketing mix elements such as prices, distribution, advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and services. Now, marketing strategies for declining stage. At declining stage, the sales of most product forms and brands eventually decline for a number of reasons, including technological advances, shifts in consumer tastes, and increased domestic and foreign competition. In a study of company strategies in declining industries, Harrigan identified 5 possible declining stages. 1. Increasing the firm's investment, that is to dominate the market or strengthen its competitive position. 2. Maintaining the firm's investment level until the uncertainties about the industry are resolved. 3. Decreasing the firm's investment level selectively by dropping unprofitable customer groups while simultaneously strengthening the firm's investment in lucrative niches. 4. Harvesting, that is milking the firm's investment to recover cash quickly. And 5th, divesting the business quickly by disposing of its assets as advantageously as possible. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.